Hey friends, so many of you have been asking, what does it sound like when you water your plant? Well, I was just watering my plants at home, and this snake plant is ready for some water. I have the PlantWave connected, and we have this sound set on. It's playing piano and some other things, electric piano. Let's see what happens when I water the plant. Let's listen. Let's give it a little more. Give it a nice soak. Now this plant's going to change its song throughout the day as it brings its water up through its roots.